Hey, so if your images look distorted in Leonardo AI, yeah, like faces look weird, objects are stretched, or the whole image looks broken, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make your prompt more clear and detailed. Vague prompts often cause distorted results. Next, yeah, don't add too many conflicting instructions. Too much confusion leads to bad structure in the image. Now, make sure you choose the right aspect ratio. Wrong ratios can stretch or warp the image. Yeah, some models are better at anatomy and structure. Switching models can reduce distortion. Now, use keywords like high detail, realistic anatomy, or sharp focus. This helps guide better structure. Yeah, too much style strength can distort faces and objects. Lowering it can improve accuracy. Now, AI results vary each time. Regenerating can often fix distortion naturally. Yeah, sometimes extremely high settings can cause artifacts. Try balanced resolution settings. If needed, generate a good base image first, then use upscaling tools instead of forcing high detail up front. So yeah, that's how you fix image distortion in Leonardo AI. Most of the time, it's prompt structure, model choice, or settings. Try these steps and your images should look much cleaner. Thanks for watching.